Hello everyone, this is Carol. Today I'm gonna share with you the top 3 free stock video websites, and I will put a link of each site in the description box down below. But stay with me here for a little longer, because in this video, I will take you on a complete tour, giving you a deep insight into the 3 websites, including their features, highlights, and how to use them. Alright, without further ado, let's get into today's video. Pixabay is a free stock video website that shares free stock footage, images, and audios. In here, you can get a lot of high-quality free video clips. Most of them come in a HD or even 4K resolution. And the most striking part is that you can download the footage without registering. And this is something that I really like about. Let's randomly select one video. Click here and select the solution you want to work with. Then click the download button to start download the video. In the top right corner of the page, you can see the owner of the clip. Click it to see the other clips the owner uploads. Down here, you will find a video distribution protocol. This is very important. For example, the clip is allowed for commercial use and does not require attribution. And here you can find some information about the video format and the parameters used, and also the download number. If you need to locate a specific clip, enter the keyword in the search bar. And the options on the right will help you to locate the content more precisely. Like in the image option, you can also find different categories including photos, vector graph, and illustrations. How convenient is that? As one of my most used stock video websites, Pexels stands out for its high quality in both video and audio. Unlike other websites, the clips in the website are attached with a strong artistic definition. So, in addition to hunting for my stock footage, I would also like to come here to increase my artistic aesthetics. Moreover, you can select a aspect ratio in the search results. And the aspect ratios given work very well for the mobile videos today. The clarity is mainly HD and above, and the quality is very good. Let's randomly select one video. Click here to download. You can also click on the drop-down menu here. Choose the size you want. And here to see the range of the video authorization, and also the owner of the video. If you like the video, you can give it a like or follow the owner. Pexels is free to use without the need to register. Well, about the disadvantage of the website, I think if you're looking for something more vintage or retro materials, this might not be the top option for you, since it will be more like modern and trendy. Another thing is that Pexels currently only offers stock video and picture, and there is no audio material available for download. This is also one of the top stock footage websites. It includes a lot of high-quality footage, and also some After Effects and Premiere Pro templates. But the resources on the site are not completely free. Only those that come with a free word on the thumbnail are free to use. And you click on free download to download it directly. But if it comes with the light link icon, then you need to register and subscribe. Alright, that is all for today's video about 3 top stock video websites you can use for free. I hope they can help you along your journey of video creation. I will share more useful resources and video tips in the upcoming videos. Stay tuned for that. Anyway, don't forget to click that subscribe button to subscribe our channel if you haven't yet. We'll see you soon in the next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!